The power of hobbies, skills, talents can completely elevate your self-confidence as well as your self-esteem. So what do I mean by that? So when you know what it is that you enjoy doing, you obviously spend more time with it. You spend more time researching and learning how to do it, whether it's a hobby or a talent or a skill that you are developing. And you never know, this could turn into being a thriving business for you. So let's get started. We are all creative beings. You need to find your creativity. Find what absolutely just gets you going. What hobby do you have, or talent, or gift, or some kind of skill that you are good at than more than most other people? It's something that you could tap into, learn more about it. So when I started my fashion designing career, I basically started at the age of 8 because I love to make clothes. I started making babies' clothes, and I was using up all existing baby clothes to make it look a bit more funky, a bit more trendy, more designerish, and I would sell it to my mother's friends who just had babies. Being a thriving business for you. So if you like this kind of content, then don't forget to press the subscribe button down below to stay in the loop for my weekly videos. But first of all, I want to apologize for not being on my YouTube channel for the last week. I have just been totally exhausted. But I'm back, so let's continue. And as my hobby grew into my absolute talents, which became a business, and every time I spent more time learning my skills, learning more skills around what I was doing, it became a business. And with the business, I had to learn more skills, just like you would need to. The more skills I learned, the more confidence I had, because it gave me more ability to step out of my comfort zones, to feel worthy, and to have a higher self-esteem. So I was making time for myself, and I was investing in my emotional needs, my financial needs, my mental needs, as well as my physical needs. So it was part of self-loving who I am, stepping into something that makes me happy and it makes me money. Ask yourself, what talents do you have? Where do you find your creativity? Spend more time in it and perfect it and elevate your level of skill and your experience, which gives you that confidence knowing that you can actually take this on, create products and sell it. So me being a self-empowerment coach, I still do my designing. It is part of who I am, because for 36 years being a fashion designer as well as a business owner, having many businesses combined with my fashion business, I understood how women think and behave and how they feel and their lack of confidence. I was always doing confidence talks and image talks and wellness talks to help them step out of doubting themselves, to find that inner peace and happiness, to do more of the things that makes them happy, and how to become financially independent. What can they do to sell? What can they do to make or sell? A lot of people have got beautiful sales skills, or just have the right words that they can express themselves. They're great at selling. You look at all the different areas that you can tap into to find your abilities, to find your talents, so that you can also generate an income out of it. But it's not just about generating an income. It is about you stepping into self-empowerment, empowering you to believe in yourself, to take creativity, hobbies, your talents, and take it to the next level. People can see when you're confident. It radiates. Your aura actually extends around you, and people want to be close to you. They want to be connected with you because they can feel there's something different about you. You're vibey, you got energy, your excitement, you love life. They love that. People will actually be like magnetized towards you. That is because you are stepping into your creativity, starting with a hobby or a skill or a talent that you have. We all go through self-doubt and don't believe we have enough, know enough, not good enough, fears that are holding us back. So try some daily affirmations, and don't forget to do some meditation, as well as make some time to do yoga. That helps you find that mindfulness, so that you can take a moment to reflect and ask yourself, where am I? What do I need to do to change? Am I still on the right track? Am I still enjoying what I'm doing? Or what more can I do? What more can I do to enhance and to empower myself? You are creating the life that you want, using your gifts, your talents, as well as your skills. I will leave the link down below of all my patterns that I have on my website. This is one of my jacket patterns that I have. I will share the link with you. So if you want to create your own clothes and step out into the world looking absolutely fabulous,